Hi there, Margarita Ibbott. I am DownshiftingPRO, and here we are at the Hotel Bonaventure in Montreal. I am so stoked about being here. This is an iconic hotel. It's been around for a very, very long time. It's gone through a different ownership, but now is an independent property. And this is our view. The spectacular pool outside. I just remember when I was here in Montreal living as a kid, what a big deal it was to be able to come downtown and stay at the hotel and go to the pool, because it is open year round. So this is a king room, and then here is, it's super roomy, very modern. Oh, I'm just really, really pleased with this. It's great. I'm just going to show you the washroom. So the good thing about this hotel is it's really centrally located to downtown Montreal. You have the Bonaventure metro is here, and you can take the metro system just about anywhere in Montreal. And then also it is connected to the train station. So here's the washroom, nice and big, super modern, great shower, and I love the fact that it's just an easy step in, so easily accessible. And then it's got, you know, a closet with extra blankets, and of course the robe. You do need the robe if you want to go outside to the pool. And it's got nice coffee amenities, and let's see here. It's got a nice fridge that you can use, which is really great to have. So you can stay at the hotel, and it has different levels to it. We just had to walk up just a few stairs, and then we were right here. There's a lovely, lovely buffet breakfast, and I'll show you that tomorrow morning when we get to it. But for now, I'll leave you right here from Hotel Bonaventure in Montreal. Very stoked to be here. I'm coming to you from the hot tub at the Hotel Bonaventure. What a great property. I can't say enough about this property. Just loved it. We loved our stay. We were staying at another property earlier in the week for my husband's conference, and to say the least, for sort of an iconic name of a hotel, I was really disappointed. The room was small, the service was not that great, and you know, the services were kind of minimal. But here it's completely different. At the Hotel Bonaventure, the rooms are big and spacious. We have a beautiful view to the pool. So this is the pool area. So that is our view, but my suggestion to you is you ask for the view that has the pond and the waterfalls. That is so peaceful. I'm going to show you a little bit more later on so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about, but I have absolutely loved our stay. I'm kind of disappointed that we have to go, but the bonus is we are right across the street from the train station. So during the winter you can actually take underground tunnels, but in the spring, summer and fall, just walk across the street and you're right there at Via Rail. So absolutely an excellent location. Can't say enough about it, because there's also metro that can take you anywhere in downtown Montreal. So it is Margarita Ibbott. I am here at the Bonaventure, and I love it. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be back in my hometown of Montreal, and to be staying at this iconic hotel that I've known my whole life, and it's just as good as I remember it. Oh my goodness, look at this little oasis that I found. It is also within the hotel. It is a duck pond. Look at all those ducks. There's a lot of them. Really peaceful. This is maybe another choice place that you want to ask to get your hotel room over here, because there's definitely rooms that look onto here. But this is spectacular. It is the Hotel Bonaventure. It's a little oasis in downtown Montreal. Isn't that perfect?